There are 3 drug companies going public this week. The real key with these drug companies is whether they have a collaboration with another more established drug company. The first one we're going to talk about is Bluebird Bio. They just received a payment from Celgene. This is a company that focuses on cancer treatments. So, Francis, when you take a look at it, you know, the fact that they just got this deal with Celgene makes it look like a pretty good offering.
That's really a huge deal. As you said, in these biotech companies and biopharma, it's all about collaboration. And Celgene, of course, is a very big pharmaceutical company. It has a market cap of $50 billion. Now, what Bluebird does is they have a novel way of attacking cancer. What they do is they call it CAR-T. They take blood out of the patient and then modify the genetic makeup of it so that it'll attack cancer cells, and then they put it back into the patient's blood system, and then those cells theoretically attack the cancer cells. And that is really, really big news. And so if it were on its own without the collaboration, who would know? But I really like the collaboration. The other thing is that it's coming at 2.5 times book, which is lower than some of the earlier biopharma and biotech IPOs this year. So it's priced very, very favorably for investors. I think they'll probably raise the price range, though.
Then we have PTC Therapeutics. This company focuses on orphan diseases, and those are diseases that are rare. The patient population tends to be fairly small. They are combining with Roche and the SMA Foundation. They tend to do a lot of these muscular disorder types of treatments or diseases that they're treating. And this one looks like it also is priced fairly low.
Right. Their target markets right now are muscular dystrophy and cystic fibrosis. And with their lead product, if it's developed, they say that there's no other product in the market that can treat what they can treat. So I think I like that one because it's, as you said, priced 2.5 times book value, and because it's making progress in an area for which there's no known treatment. So I like that one too. But Bluebird is the big one this week, I think.
Right, that drug is Adalurin that they're focused on. And then the last one is Gatto. Now, as you mentioned, they don't have any collaborations, and they're going to be using the IPO funds to do a phase 3 clinical trial. No estimate on when they're going to complete that. So this one definitely isn't as strong as the other 2.
Right. What's interesting is that this one's also priced at 2.5 times book, and so you can really get a gradation of you know, what's good and what might not be good. That one is going to. They want to use the proceeds to do a phase 3 clinical trial, as you said, of 13,200 patients, which is a big trial, and that's kind of off into Never Never Land. So what it is, they have a blood thinner that's better than heparin, and they've done some phase 2 tests, and it looks good. But whenever I look at these, I like to see a potential completion date for the phase 3 trials, which that one does not have.
All right, well, there you have it. If you are looking for the best prescription for a drug IPO, you might want to take a look at Bluebird and also PTC, but you might want to wait a little bit on Gatto.